So I wanted to share real quick that I got this glue gun at Hobby Lobby. It's a cheap ass glue gun. I need to find my Gorilla glue gun because that's my favorite one. But it was only $2.99 on sale. This is a regular price. Actually, this is, I think this is the price of the item, and then their regular price was actually $3.99. But then it turned out to be $2.99 on sale this week. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm coming at you with another haul video. This is from Hobby Lobby. Before I get started, please like and subscribe. So they did another markdown, and the stamps and some Tim Holtz stuff. I don't think there was any dies, but some of the Cricut vinyl was all on clearance. So this here is the Cricut infusible ink for $2.74. I got this color because I want to do some Minecraft images for my kids' walls. I don't know if, now that I think about it, I didn't even think about it. It's not vinyl. It's an actual transfer. Oh well. It was only $2.74 for the cherry red. I have to say that the infusible ink is probably my favorite to work with. So this is the yellow for $2.74. I got the blue for $1.49. And it says Cricut mug press. And you can use it on all of them. So they're probably perfectly cut for the mug. And then I got another one. So that's all the they have some like pinks and things, and then those colors, but like I already have those colors. I didn't need anymore. Next, I found this ribbon for $1.24. I actually got this for my husband because of the bracelets he'll be making. I wish I would have picked up more of this. I only got 3 of these, and they were only 69 cents. And it's the gold on this one. They all have gold, so I got the yellow. Only the yellow and the red was on clearance. So yeah. I found these gel pens on clearance, only $3.24. They're the 0.7. I'm a pen hoarder, but I lose pens like it ain't nobody's business. Like, so I don't like paying a lot for pens because I lose them. If it's not at home, I'm gonna lose them because I have somewhere to put my pens here. But at work, like, they just disappear. So these, I like these. I want to try these out. This other one, I'll put some of this to the side. should have picked up 2 of them, but I only picked 1 up. This is the washable fabric pen. So if you didn't see my previous video, I got some things that I needed for my sewing machine. I will link it below. But here's a washable fabric pen. It was only 87 cents, and I can use it for my sewing machine, for my fabrics anyway. So got that one. And then I got this other pack that fell apart in my bag. It was only $2.74, and all the pens, these are the different millimeters on the pens. So, and they'll say like this one's 0.1, so it's probably super thin. I don't know if you can see that, but compared to 0.5 pen. So it's just like, I thought these were interesting for like, I don't know, maybe the polymer clay stuff that I've been working on. So there's that. I got these other jelly roll pens. I just like pens with a smooth, that are smooth in writing. And these were only $1.74. These paint markers, also from my polymer clay. I don't know if I'm gonna use them or not, but they were only $2.99. And there's 4 colors. I bought 1 stamp set, and it was this Hampton Art for $1.87, and it was the bees. Like, I really want to make a junk journal out of bees, so I thought I'd get this one. I got this foil. Oh, I did get another stamp. I forgot about this one. Okay, so the next thing I got were, I'm super excited. They had a bunch of Tim Holtz Distress inks, and they had like the ephemera. I'm just not into the little people, you know. I have some that I like, that I have in my stash, but like, I ain't really all into like the people. It's kind of odd to me. It's weird. But this one here is $2.74. It was $10.99, and I don't have these colors, so I was like, let me pick it up. Then I had got these ones. These are the bigger ones for $1.49. Spun sugar, candied apple, and carved pumpkin. I really like this one. It's perfect for Halloween. Then I picked up, these were only $1.12. Distress sprayer for creating spray effects. So I thought that was pretty cool. So the way rest are like sprays. So like, I got this mixatives. It's a metallic, like, what they call it? Ink. A metallic like ink. And it was only $2.37. So I thought that was cool. I got the Distress Oxide. I bought this before. I really like these a lot. These colors. These alcohol inks. It's the pearlescent colors for $2.74. More of the distress sprays, except for these same mica spray. They add a pearlescent shimmer to any craft project. I got this other color. I love these colors. Except this is kind of an odd color, but you know, it was only $2.37. I really wanted these two here. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe. And I hope you guys find some clearance, because they also have the flowers. They have flowers, they have buttons. What else did they have? They had way more. They actually had vinyl, not just infusible ink transfers, but these colors they didn't have on clearance. But thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.